Hi, I'm Cheryl Hackett, a Sensible Nutrition Educator in Natrona County. Today we are going to be making refried beans from scratch, and then we will be using those to make a tostada. So let's talk first about why we would make our own refried beans, starting with dried pinto beans, rather than simply purchasing a can of refried beans at the grocery store. Well, there are many reasons. First of all, just knowing how to cook and work with dried beans is a really good skill. And actually, it's a lot more economical as well. This entire bag was about $1, and this can is about $1. If you are down to your last dollar or two, this bag is going to give you several meals worth of pinto beans. So the first step in working with dried beans is to soak them. I am going to follow the instructions for the overnight soak. So I'm measuring out 2 cups of beans. I'm going to pour them in a bowl and add about twice the amount of water to beans. And I'm just going to soak them in the refrigerator for several hours. Then you want to drain off the liquid and sort any beans, discard any peels and any cracked beans. And I find that the easiest way to cook the beans is to cook them in the crock pot. So once I've discarded the soaking water, I'm just going to pour the beans in the crock pot and add more water. I'm going to set the temperature to 4 hours on high, and then when that's done, we'll drain that liquid off again and we'll be ready to cook our beans. So now that we've learned how to make refried beans, we will take our delicious refried beans and turn them into a tostada.